Welcome to your daily guide for crafting powerful and shapely glutes. This workout routine is tailored to activate and strengthen your glute muscles, incorporating insights from the tested exercises discussed in the YouTube video. We tested 17 glute exercises. These are best for growth. Benefits of daily glute training. Enhanced muscle activation. Regularly targeting your glutes leads to improved muscle activation, crucial for growth and strength. Balanced development. The routine ensures a well-rounded development by focusing on both lower and upper glutes, fostering symmetry and aesthetics. Improved posture and stability. Strong glutes contribute to better posture and stability, reducing the risk of injuries and enhancing overall athletic performance. Daily glute workout. Note: ensure proper warm-up before starting this routine. Lower glutes embrace. Barbell squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Step UPS, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Focus on maintaining good form and gradually increasing resistance over time. Powerful lifts. Deadlifts, conventional or Romanian, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Hip thrusts, 3 sets of 15 reps. These exercises emphasize hip extension, crucial for activating the lower glutes. Upper and side sculpt. Cable kickbacks, 30-degree angle, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Seated banded abductions, 3 sets of 15 reps. Unique lunge variation, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Engage in these movements to target the upper and side glutes for a complete sculpting effect. Consistency is key. Perform this routine at least 5 times a week for optimal results. Pay attention to your body and adjust intensity and resistance as needed. Conclusion. Committing to a daily glute workout not only shapes and strengthens your glutes, but also contributes to overall well-being. The benefits extend beyond aesthetics, promoting better posture, stability, and reduced injury risk. Remember to stay consistent, challenge yourself progressively, and enjoy the transformative journey to sculpted and powerful glutes.